Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have this tiny little pin to make, and it needs to be made of very high quality material. This pin is less than a 16th in diameter at the smaller parts, a little less than 1.5 millimeters, and the whole thing is just over 5/8 of an inch long. For material, I'm going to use this Allen wrench. I think for a combination of hardness and toughness, pretty tough to beat an Allen wrench. Now, a tiny little pin like this would be a real bear to do in my lathe. I mean, that would be a struggle. At very least, that would require some custom tooling. So instead, I'm going to use the tool and cutter grinder, and we're going to grind these pins out. I'm going to start by just zipping off this bent piece of the Allen wrench so that the rest of it will fit in my 4-jaw chuck properly. The larger diameter here happens to be 1/8 of an inch, which is a nice nominal diameter, and I have a collet for that. But for this Allen wrench itself, I don't have, certainly don't have any hex collets, and I also don't have a collet that is the same measurement as from point to point. So I'm going to start by getting this up in my 4-jaw chuck. I'm all dialed into my 4-jaw chuck now. I have enough sticking out to get the pin I need out of. I don't have a wheel guard for a wheel this big in diameter, so I am just going to keep my head well out of the disc of death. We're doing here. I'm going to run it back and forth one more time just to see if I can lick that last 1/10 off of there. My original plan was to bring the length I need down to the 1/8 diameter. That way, as I mentioned before, I can get it in a regular collet. But this thing is grinding so darn well. It seems so stable. I was worried about chatter and everything else, but it's just working so darn well. I'm going to see if I can't get lucky and pull this part of the pin off all in this same setup. This will be leaving quite a bit more sticking out than need be, but if this keeps working this well, it shouldn't be a problem. And if it starts acting like it's going to be a problem, it'll either go really bad or it'll give me a chance to stop and do something different.
Go ahead.
So I'm just going to set a stop here at the length I need this smaller diameter to be. Well, I've got that first section down to size, and I must say, I am very pleasantly surprised with how that worked. I was pretty much ready for anything. I was concerned that with something so small in diameter sticking out so far, that chatter was a real possibility. And I'm talking catastrophic chatter was a real possibility, but nothing went wrong. The surface finish is great. That was another concern. I thought there might be some taper from tool pressure on something so long and skinny. Nope, it's perfectly parallel. I could not be happier. I'm just tickled at how that worked. I'm just going to zip this off to a rough, a little bit longer than finished length, and then we'll start working on the other end of this guy. Oh yeah. I've got my little pin turned around now and it's in a collet. So what I'm gonna do is just minimum skim it on the side of this wheel just to make a nice flat end on it. Then I'll have to pull it out, measure it, I'll see how much I have to go, and then I'll put it back in. I'll very carefully touch off on the wheel again, being careful to move in very small 1/1000 increments as I touch off, and then I'll set up a dial so that I can advance it the exact amount I want to take off. And then I should be able to get it pretty much bang on the proper length. I'm touched off there now and I'm at my 0. I've got quite a bit to go. I have 48 thousandths of an inch to take off. So when we get there, that'll be the finished size. So now I'm going to put it back in the machine. I've got it to length, and this length worth needs to be brought down to this diameter. And so that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to put less than this little bit here in the collet and leave this much and a little more sticking out. So after a little bit of setup, little trial and error, we're ready to put our angle on the pin here, and then that will be it. It will be done. So all done. There's our little pin. Bit of a pain in the neck for something so tiny, but when you need it, and there it is. If you're enjoying these videos and you'd like to help support the channel, consider joining us over at Lappy Mountain Living at patreon.com. I'm looking forward to it. I think we're gonna have some great conversations and we're gonna do a lot of other fun stuff over there. Well, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Well, I've got this first little piece, chunk down to, would you mind starting that again?
Okay, go.
Did you start? Did you kill that one?
Nope. And action.